Sa ibang balita pa rin, isa pong asteroid o yan po yung gahiganting malatipak na bato sa kalawakan ang ipapangalan sa isang Pinoy na kakagraduate lang ng high school. Ang maswerte nating kababayan ng 16-year-old na si Miguel Arnold Reyes na ngayon isa na ring iskolar ng bayan. Premyo po yan sa kanya ng Massachusetts Institute of Technology sa Amerika dahil sa kanyang pagsasaliksik sa biodegradable at environment-friendly na plastic packaging film. Ang incoming computer engineering student sa University of the Philippines may premyo ring $1,500 o halos 67,000 pesos. At ngayong gabi po ay makaka one-on-one natin ang junior Pinoy scientist at malabang, ito, future computer engineer na si Miguel Arnold Reyes. Good evening. Congratulations, Miguel.
Magandang gabi. Congratulations, Miguel.
How cool is that? Miguel, unahin ko muna, no? Kumusta, has anything changed? May nagbago ba since you won this international award?
Wala naman actually. Marami lang nagko-congratulate and maraming nabigla dun sa asteroid thing.
May marami ba nagbago sa mga plano mo for the future?
Sa
na na-realize mo,
plano naman,
teka, this is something I can do. This is something I could, push
wala
further.
Naman.
Kwento mo yung experience mo nung doon, nung nakuha mo yung award.
Intel ISEF kasi is like a science fair type na competition. So, 1,600 na students from all over the world, actually from 65 different countries, magagather together and then magpe-present ng kani-kanilang research projects. So, divided kami into 17 categories. Per category, dun sila pumipili ng makakakuha ng 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st grand award.
Okay.
Grabe ba yung pressure?
During
that time?
Actually, kasi yung the event is a week long, tapos isang araw lang yung judging. So the rest, puro mga bonding with your peers. Tsaka, actually, it's more of a convention and event more than a competition. And yung medyo nakaka-pressure talaga kasi pag nakita mo yung projects from other countries, parang mapapawaw ka na ang taas na nung level ng technology involved, yung mga methodology, yung mga equipment na ginagamit nila, parang masyado ng mataas yung level.
Was it an intense competition? Yung nararamdaman mo talaga yung intensity ng competition?
Actually, hindi. Nung judging day, di kausap kami ng mga judges, they were trying to test kung alam namin talaga kung ano yung mga ginawa namin. And actually, mabait yung mga judges. Ina-encourage ka nila to continue your project. Kung merong mga mali or kailangan improve, sasabihin nila. So, actually, hindi mo talaga ma-feel masyado yung competition.
Miguel, what's your IQ?
I'm not sure.
Akala ko state secret.
Bago tayo mag-on-air, kanina tinanong ko si Miguel, ano yung pinanggalingan nitong research mo? May inspiration ka ba? May particular interest ka ba with the plastic or film packaging?
Bakit mo naisip to? Why this in particular?
Well, una-una kasi school requirements kailangan namin ng research project for 4th year. And nakuha ko yung idea nung composite plastics sa Industrial Technology and Development Institute kasi summer before senior year, nag-intern ako doon. So for the summer, I was working with a scientist who was, yung project niya ay medyo similar in that field rin.
How does it feel? Imagine, may nakapangalan sa'yo na asteroid.
Yung iba, Walk of Fame,
Oo, di
a
ba?
street
Parang
named
star
after
lang.
you.
Pero ito,
Walang-wala,
asteroid. Itong nakapangalan sa'yo. Anong pakiramdam mo?
Siyempre, masaya and proud kasi I'm one of the few Filipinos who have an asteroid name after him.
Your teachers must be proud in Philippine Science High
And
School.
your parents, of course.
And your parents, of course.
Yeah.
Ako may tatanong ko kaya, you're a 16-year-old male, ano? What else are you interested in? You're into sports, you're into...
I'm into soccer rin. And sometimes, syempre yung mga usual, typical computer games. And then
Gaming?
Clubbing?
Clubbing na yung word
Clubbing,
na ngayon.
yun yung
Sa atin
sinasabi
ang
nila
disco.
ngayon, ng mga kabataan, di ba?
I'm not that much into partying, more on actually going out with friends lang.
Actually, nabanggit mo kanina, may bonding kayo with your peers dun sa competition, ano? What do you guys talk about?
Oo nga.
Puro ba kayo mga...
Kasi
well, I would
pare-parehong
assume.
genius yan, di ba?
Actually, hindi naman. More on pinag-usapan namin is yung syempre, pag acquaintances kayo, pag-usapan nyo, where are you from? So, parang, pinag-uusapan namin talaga dun is parang more on our cultures. And minsan, mga recent events, mga global issues, parang ganun. So, hindi siya all about science.
Average
actually.
temperature, humidity, hindi naman ganun.
Hindi naman ganun.
High-tech.
O kaya bigla na lang nagko-compute.
Hindi naman
Wala
ganun.
namang ganun.
Wala naman ganun.
It's that parang stereotype siguro natin
Stereotype
yan,
lang
ano?
talaga.
Oo, that's true.
Miguel, why computer engineering?
Actually, I'm planning to shift to physics. Pero kaya ako napunta sa computer engineering kasi parang before start of senior year and dun junior year, I'm into robotics naman. So kaya at that time, computer engineering yung gusto ko i-pursue. Pero as time goes by, parang nag-iiba yung interest mo. Siyempre, bata pa ako, marami pa akong gustong i-explore, malaman. So doon ako napunta ngayon sa physics. So gusto kong mag-shift ngayon.
Gusto kong balikan yung tanong kanina ni Ivan na yung sa pagbabago ba, parang in your future, because of what happened, itong may nakapangalan sa yung asteroid, nanalo ka pa sa MIT, may nangyari ba na nagbago bang perspective mo sa kung ano yung gusto mong gawin later on, pagka-graduate mo ng high school, baka gusto mo nang mag-NASA?
And win a Nobel Peace Prize? Maybe?
Well, yung asteroid, medyo related nga siya sa physics kasi there's a branch in physics na astrophysics, astronomical. So maybe that's where I'm heading to with the asteroid.
Pero gusto ko rin namang kunin yung opinion mo. Kasi kanina, napakarami nating storya tungkol sa tuition increases, taas na ng matrikula, marami nang hindi nakakapagkolehiyo. Gusto ko namang makuha rin yung opinion. Ano bang nasa isip mo na hindi katulad mo na magiging iskola ng bayan, ay maraming mga kabataan, and I guess kabataan talaga natin, more than half is out of school, hindi talaga makakapasok ng kolehiyo.
Yung sa akin lang, I guess, kailangan lang talaga nilang magsipag kasi lahat naman madadaan natin doon. Maraming institutions na nagre-recognize ng mga outstanding na students. Kunyari, I for one, galing akong Philippine Science High School, so I didn't actually pay anything for my tuition, so scholar ako. So, yun lang. Just do your best in everything. Pakita mo na magaling ka. So, eventually naman, magkakaroon ka rin ng scholarship siguro or something, or marirecognize ka. So, yun, magtutuloy-tuloy na yun from that.
Ikaw, Miguel, anong pangarap mo for the country?
For the country,
Para Miss Universe lang. Pero seriously.
as a scientist, ang pangarap ko sa country is sana wala nang rason yung mga Filipino professionals para lumabas ng bansa. Kasi di ba, isa sa mga problema natin na marami tayong professionals na umaalis, nagtatrabaho abroad. And I believe isa sa mga rason kung bakit yun. Kasi wala silang makuhang parang opportunity dito. Wala yung gamit na, wala silang parang mga research funds or mga gamit na pwede nilang gamitin sa kanilang mga research. So hopefully in the future, lahat ng mga scientists natin, yung mga engineer, yung mga magagaling, hindi na sila alis naman sa kasi magagawa na nila yung professional work nila dito.
Well said.
Miguel Arnold Reyes, the name behind the asteroid.
Maraming salamat,
Thank you,
Miguel.
ma'am.
Thank you
Be
for your time.
inspired, mga kabataan. Abangan!